It's dark here in the woods, but the sun is just now starting to peek up over the mountains, and we're in this holler in the Great Smoky Mountain National Park for our Summer in the Smokies workshop. Just a beautiful place. I never get tired of coming to the Smoky Mountains. I've been here probably 30 times over the last few years. Always one of my favorite parks to come to. It's just got so much character to it. A lot of beautiful scenery, a lot of varied scenery, water, mountaintop sceneries, lots of wildlife, lots of old pioneer cabins and buildings. It's just a really neat and rewarding place to go to. We've been here since Sunday, checking off the list, going to all the sites we want to see, seeing all the cool stuff we're going to see. And like right now I'm looking down this lane and we've got this sun coming through the trees and it's backlighting this kind of fog that's settled in out here, and it's just, again, everywhere you look is a beautiful sight. I'm always proud to bring people here. I'm always proud to bring people everywhere, but especially here, show them the beauty of the Smokies and the beauty of this area. And really, it goes beyond just the natural beauty. Just the cultural beauty's nice here as well. You get to hear the story of the Cherokees and the pioneer people who settled this area and everything in between, even the contemporary culture. And this whole area of Appalachia just is what gave rise to so much of what we know about America today. And it's one of the things that, again, makes this trip so rewarding. So hope you enjoyed the pictures. I know we've enjoyed this experience, and I'll see you next time.